What's going on, guys? It's Eli with Shine Division Detailing. Just wrapped up these two Corvettes for today. We did two different details on these two, so let's just start out with this one. This one we did a level 1 protection detail to preserve and protect what is existing and what's left of the finish. There's obviously some fading and haze going on in the paint there. This is all original paint, so again, we just took the approach to preserve and protect what is left and what is still existing. How do we move forward with the correction step? We likely would have been able to get pretty good results on the sides, but it would have been inconsistent with these top surfaces since these get most of the damage from the UV. This Corvette, on the other hand, is also original paint. This was shot with Lacquer Black, so we were able to get very good results with this one. The depth out of this black paint is absolutely insane. So we did our single stage correction step. We removed the swirling out of the finish. This is very different paint from what is traditional nowadays with the base coat and a clear coat. This is just shot straight acrylic lacquer. So we get arguably has much better depth than today's paint. And we're also able to correct a lot of the defects that were in the finish. Some cool Corvettes in today. Shoot me a message if you'd like to get on the schedule.